Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to remove part of an image using Canva. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser, search for canva.com and upload your image. Okay, so for example, this image. What I want you to do is to click on the image that you've uploaded. And here, click on Edit Photo at the upper part of your screen. Now you can choose Magic Eraser. Okay, so you need to have the Pro account or subscription so that you can have this feature. Okay, so now just go ahead and do this on the part of the image that you want to remove. Okay, so let's just wait. As you can see, it is removed, right? So for example, this one. So I'm just gonna draw over on that text or image. So as you can see, this removed, okay? So that's it. That is how you remove a part of an image using Canva. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.